Hello everybody, this is Junu King, and in this videocast I'll be talking about Pythagoras' proof of the Pythagorean theorem. So last time we talked about Euclid's proof, but this time it's going to be Pythagoras himself proving his own theorem. Bit less popular than Euclid, so that's why it's in a video after his. Of the Pythagorean theorem, PT. So Pythagoras used this square here to prove his own theorem, and this was a square of the length of a plus b on each side, and inside the square there was another square with the length of c, and 4 triangles with the area of 1 times ab. How did he prove this? He said that the area of this big square here, which is a plus b squared, hopefully you know how to calculate the area of squares, or you shouldn't be watching this video, equaled c squared, the area of this, plus all the triangles. Pretty easy, right? If we spread this out and distribute it, it would be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared equals c squared plus 2ab. And because these are the same factors on each side with the same positive here, you delete those and you would end up with a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Amazing. Smart guy, Pythagoras. So we're gonna get on to some exercises of this, probably one exercise. So yeah, right here. A question that they would ask would be something like, find the area of square E, F, G, H. And let me switch color here. This is getting a bit tedious. So if you switch color there, it would be, you could solve this by saying that this is 15, which it is, and using the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, but I use the proof of the Pythagorean theorem in this episode because it's all about that. So the proof of the Pythagorean theorem would say that a plus b squared equals c squared plus 4ab, 2ab, I'm sorry, 2ab. We know a and b, which are 15 and 8, so this would be 15 plus 8 squared minus 2, if you put this onto the other side, like this, minus 2, 15 times 8. Yes. Did I do this correctly? Yeah. Minus 15 times 8 times 2, and this would equal 23 squared minus, what is this? If I times that, 240. 23 squared would equal, let's solve this on the side. I can't do mental math. Well, I can, but this is not my strong point. Okay, so 529 minus 240. And this would equal, let's see, 289. And this would equal c squared, because it was left on the other side when we moved this over here. So that would mean the area of this square here, which is c squared, would equal 289. We can also solve this using the Pythagorean theorem, but do that when you're on your own, and I'll do this in my episode. So I'll see you guys all in the next video, and until then.